What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's my girlfriend's top 6 disliked fragrances. So Kelly's
or
here.
bottom 6.
Or bottom 6 that she don't like. So hope you guys enjoy this video. It's coming right up. Guys, I'm back with another video. Today's video is the top 6 fragrances that my girlfriend really doesn't like in my collection. She doesn't really like them as much, but it's okay. It's a video that I thought about for a while. People have asked me what fragrances that she likes that I wear. So as a full disclaimer, these aren't ones that, you know, I like them, but she doesn't really like them as much, but it's okay. So it's just from her perspective, and she's around me all the time when we wear fragrances. So here we go. Her number 6 is
Versace EROS.
Okay.
I don't like as much.
Okay.
It just, I don't know what the smell is, but there's a hint of something that I just don't like. I find it, like, things are better on skin, but like it's just not my favorite.
Okay, and like her number 6 is Versace EROS. Some people do like this one a lot. I get it. Some people like it for club banger fragrances. It's just, it is what it is. I talked about this on my channel before. If you want to check it out, I have a video down below. But Versace EROS, she doesn't like it.
Personal opinion.
Okay, now we're going to jump into her number 5 dislike fragrance. 5 dislike fragrance. I've got many comments with this fragrance here. I went to a pizza place one time and I ordered pizza.
Oh,
and
this was that one?
Yeah, a guy was like, "Hey man, I don't want to sound weird or sound like I like guys or anything, but you smell amazing and sexy. What are you wearing? And I want to buy it." So I let him know about my channel and my card and the fragrance, and he bought it. But my girlfriend doesn't like it as much, but it's okay. It does get compliments, but my girlfriend doesn't like it, so I don't wear it as much. But it's her number 5. The pizza guy likes it, which is okay, but whatever. Number 5 is
UOMO.
Yep, Salvatore Ferragamo.
Ferragamo.
So she doesn't. It's not her thing. Tiramisu, you know, dessert.
I worked at Starbucks for 7.5 years. I don't like coffee.
There you go.
I don't usually mind the smell of it, but the combination is just not. I don't prefer it.
She don't like it. Her number 5 is Salvatore Ferragamo UOMO. Now I'm going to jump into her number 4 dislike fragrance. Okay, this is going to be a tough one. Her number 4 is the fragrance that I reviewed a couple weeks ago on my channel. It's my number 1 fall and winter fragrance that I wear a lot, and it's just, people do say it smells like lipstick. I get that, the iris note. It is what it is, but I wear a lot of this fragrance in the wintertime, but she doesn't really like it. But here we go. Her number 4 dislike is Valention UOMO Intense.
Maybe I would like it better in the winter. But
maybe in the winter, okay.
It just, no.
Too strong, too strong?
I don't think it's a strongness.
Okay.
I think it must be the iris. I don't like that, like, flower smell.
Okay.
I think it smells bad.
Okay, smells bad. Hey, she doesn't like it. She doesn't like it. Every woman's gonna be different.
Progressively worse. I'm going to like them less and less.
List is crazy, but that's her list. That is some of the fragrances that she doesn't like, and she's not gonna like every fragrance that I have. If she did, it'd be hard.
Many.
Yeah, if she liked
them all.
If she liked all my fragrances, it'd be hard to wear which one each time we go out to dinner or eat or go see a movie. So this is another one that she doesn't like. So now we're gonna jump into the next one that she doesn't like, and this one is number 3, and this is Valention UOMO Intense.
That was wonderful.
So number 2 dislike fragrance she doesn't like. It's funny because one of her friends, Emily, she likes this fragrance a lot. A few women I've been around with like this fragrance, but a lot of them sort of already smelled it and they just get coined to it. You smell it all over the place. My doctor has this fragrance too, so it's been popular for years. A lot of people are going to probably hate this after this video, but whatever. And it is no other than
It's very subjective.
Profumo. My girlfriend doesn't like it. I'll leave it at that. I don't think she likes the patchouli that's in it. It's patchouli and she doesn't.
I hate patchouli.
There you go. She doesn't like patchouli, but she doesn't like it, and it's. I mean, I like wearing it, but
I keep going back.
She doesn't.
It's got a cool magnetic cap. That's cool. It smells.
She doesn't really like it, so it's okay. A lot of people like this. It's just apparently the best fragrance on the planet. People have been saying, but it doesn't work for my girlfriend. She doesn't like it. But that's what people say. It's been a seller for years. They have the original. They have the original that came out years ago, but this is another one. But Hey,
The best is subjective. The worst is also subjective.
But I do like, one I do like myself is Aqua Geo Absolute, and that's the one with the funny local dark kind of like little dark orangey like fragrance. But
that one's nice.
That one, yeah, Aqua Geo Absolute. But this is her number 2 she doesn't like, and it's Aqua Geo Profumo. So now we're jumping to her number 1. Her number 1 is crazy because it's a fragrance that I didn't like at first. I didn't like it at first. And then I went so far a few times and got samples. The lady's so nice there. I go there all the time. And she gave me 2 samples of it. So I'm going to go home and try it. She said, you should go home and try it and see if you like it. I'm like, all right, whatever. So then I wore it a couple of times and I started liking it more. And a lot of reviewers reviewed it. And I kind of got up on the hype train and started liking it a lot more and wearing it. But my girlfriend doesn't like it. It has notes of mandarin orange, white florals. It's just she doesn't like the fragrance, and her number 1 dislike fragrance is John Varvatos Artisan Pure.
No.
She doesn't like it.
This one, oh, it smells terrible. It just smells terrible. Maybe it's the white floral. I would think I would like mandarin oranges. I don't get any orange. It smells like a musty old lady, like smell, like house. Like, it's bad. I hate this one. I hate this one. I don't think you've really worn it around me. I usually really like, that's why most videos, I like everything. Because our tastes are really in sync. And I just think he always smells good. But this one's gross. I don't like it.
So this is her number 1 favorite dislike video.
Favorite dislike.
Thank you everybody for watching this video. Her top 6 dislike fragrances in my collection. I have a special announcement. I made a mistake in my last video where I was talking about the UOMO. I still don't like the fragrance. It's not going to change the fact, okay? I apologize for saying it wrong. Steven from Steven Ferragamo Lessons YouTube channel. I'll leave his channel below. And Garry for No Nonsense, thank you for correcting me and saying I'm going to leave his channel below. These are great YouTubers. I made a mistake. I apologize. I'm going to try to do better next time, but I looked up the research and it's called Dior Homme. EAU for O men.
Just O for men.
O for men. So I made my mistake.
Dior Homme O for men.
I made my wrong. I apologize about it. And this is for a giveaway. If I reach 3,000 subscribers, which I'm almost at, 1 lucky subscriber will receive this bottle for free. It's brand new. I only use a little bit of juice, maybe about 5, 6.
Find out he didn't like it.
Yeah, I didn't like it, and I'm giving away for free on the channel. So all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. My girlfriend don't like it either. So I'm giving it away for free. It's a brand new bottle. You can have it. So all I need to do is hit 3,000 subscribers, and she'll pick a name out the bat she did last time, and hopefully you'll win. Whether you're a guy or girl, hope you win. So thanks for watching my video, and have a nice weekend. Bye.
Bye.